Hello, my name is Flash Turtle, and welcome to another video. My third, I think, now. Yeah. So this is the my world, Olanton's world, or Fire Phoenix. Go check out the channel. Yes. Yeah. Check out the world tour as well. We made a world tour on this recently, so please check out that video. I have me and Olanton both have that on our channel, so you can check it out from either one of us. Yeah, welcome. And I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I think we're gonna build something maybe, or do work on the Nether hub or something like that. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I built this statue in the middle, kind of as a sign of respect. I don't know exactly. Here I gave the armor stand 4 golden enchanted armor from the mob spawner, zombie spawner, because we had loads of armor pieces. I almost didn't find the legs though, so luckily I did. Here's our beautiful, beautiful house. I haven't really done much. Oh yeah, if we have a look in the back, I finally got a name tag for Dexter, which is great, and I have some animal farms right here. Man, the grass isn't regrowing here, is it? And I have cows as well, so that's nice. Zippy is still there. He doesn't seem to want to despawn, which is good. I don't know if they even despawn, so probably I'm not understanding something. And here's our cat. If you have any idea of what to name him or her, then please comment any ideas, because I have no idea. I don't even know if it's a him or a her. I haven't decided yet. So I'd really appreciate your opinion on that. And please shut up. So yeah, I thought maybe we'd expand the Nether hub a little. So for that, I need to go cobble mining. So I'm gonna get a bit more cobblestone. Actually, no, I need to check the community cobblestone deposit a little. Maybe that might be a good idea. What's it? Okay, here's the community house. Let's have a look. Okay, we have a bunch of netherrack, but okay, not much. 58. I mean, I'll take that, but first we gotta get some of our own. So I'm gonna go grinding just a little bit, and I'll catch you guys later. Okay, guys. So I've been mining a bit, grinding a bit. I only have about 3 stacks in a bit. I didn't spend too much time. I think I'm just gonna do the actual outline of the whole place first before actually filling in it. I know it's not gonna be quite enough, but just for the outline, I think it should be fine. So yeah, let's go into the Nether hub and have a look. Also, kind of where we stand right now. Okay, so if you didn't know, this is another hub. It's literally just you walk in here, and that's it. We have a door here, so I think this part's fine. It's just a little tunnel, but this part I really would like to expand. So if you ever look outside, this is how it looks right now. So I thought we'd just kind of lay out roughly what we want to do, right? So unluckily, it's really unlucky. We're literally right at an overhang, which kind of sucks, but we can deal with it. So yeah, I'm just gonna start laying out the kind of how far we want to go and how we want it to look. So yeah. Hey guys, so I haven't really been doing much, but I just decided to clog up this lava, and I wanted to tune in to show you guys the satisfying effect. The lava slowly sinking down while we quickly dig after it because we want all this cobblestone back. No! No! I was really hoping that my boots would hold that. Oh crap. That sucks. That really sucks. But I saw that my pickaxe, I think, was okay. I really hope that I didn't lose too much of my stuff. Let's quickly go and... No, I actually even heard some of my items go... How did I fall off? I was in sneak the whole time. How the hell did that happen? Oh no. But I'm pretty sure at least my pickaxe survived, and that's one of the most important things that I have. Okay, let's see, my shovel, my pickaxe, my sword. Oh yes, my sword's still there. Oh god, oh yes, my cobblestone. See, do I still have all of my cobble? Oh, of course, a lot of it got lost doing that. I'll get that back. Oh, I think I didn't lose anything. Oh, phew, jeez. Yeah, okay. I'll quickly get my stuff sorted and I'll catch you guys in a sec. Okay, guys, so, just taking down my tower. I don't think I even lost anything. I'm so relieved. But I did have a bunch. I didn't have a lot of XP. Luckily, I hadn't been recently grinding. But if I had been recently grinding, I would have used the XP by now instead of, you know, going out to the Nether on a dangerous building mission or something. And I'm not that stupid. I'm stupid. I mean, kind of, but not that stupid. Don't you worry. Don't you worry about a thing. Yeah, so, I'm just gonna keep... So, this is kind of the rough layout. It's not that much bigger. It's just that we have a little more space to build things, I guess. So we have, like, workspace and stuff. And we'll probably expand it over time, but for now, this is all we need. So, I'm gonna start filling in, see how far I can get, and, yeah, see you guys. Oh my god, guys, look what I just found. It was literally just like, how did it get up there? It was only like over there. It wasn't that far. Wow, that jumped a long way. Sorry, I just wanted to show you guys that. Alright, guys, so, yeah, we got this in place, I think. I didn't think my cobblestone would be enough. I'm just gonna get rid of this ugly dirt right here. Because, well, it's ugly. Let's see. Oh, that's the portal. Okay. So, if we go inside quickly, I guess we can just take down this wall now. I'm not gonna be needing that. And yeah, you can see I've dug out not of that much, not such a significant amount of space, but it's definitely more than before. It'll definitely give us. I think it'll be very helpful for stuff. So I'm just gonna go get the rest of the cobblestone from the community room and put in the floor because I think that will add a nice touch to it. I mean, not a touch because just a cobblestone. It's not like it looks good, but I thought we might as well make it more cobblestoney. But then again, I guess netherrack looks pretty okay. I'm not sure. I think maybe I'm gonna see if Anton can join, and yeah, we'll see. Okay, so hey guys, I tried to reach Anton, but I couldn't reach him. So, well, I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for now, and once we can talk it over, then yeah. So yeah, we'll see. It looks good so far. It's just a lot of extra space, I guess. So I think I'm gonna kind of equip it a little. I'm not sure what do we need in the Nether hub. So we have the door to there. We have this area. We have the Nether track. I guess it's kind of annoying that you have to walk across the Nether track. Maybe we could make the doorway like here. Yeah, but then that's right at Anton's portal. Maybe we could make it more in the other direction. But that doesn't work either. I think we might just have to keep it like this for now. But yeah, hopefully we can change that at some point. So let's have a look. Oh, why am I'm not even trying to place these blocks. Okay. So let's just take these things. Oh jeez. Oh, that was close. Oh, we do not want to fall down there. Oh god. Oh crap. Oh Wait. Oh god, that was terrifying. I don't know why I keep saying, oh god, oh gee, sorry. So, this thing could probably, I mean, it was fine there, but now that we actually have more space to go, I think maybe we can have, like, chest and crafting table, right here, in this little corner here. Yeah, I like that, I think. It's kind of nice. And then I think maybe we should have, I don't know, what else do we even need in this space? I just wasted a bunch of cobblestone digging out a huge area, but I don't even know why we need this area, so... hold on. Yeah, that might be a problem. I don't know. But I think that for now, our job is done here. I think we can stop working on this now. I think we are good. Sorry that I keep saying I think. But that's what I think. So I think I'm gonna head back and see what else there is to do. Any odd jobs, or we can go exploring or something like that. So yeah, actually, oh god, I must be boring you so much, but I wanna quickly, oh, I don't have any wood on me. Oh, that must have burned up. My wood burned up. That sucks. Oh well. Because wood's kind of a valuable material. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that little time lapse. I ended up getting about 3 stacks of wood. I don't need that much. And hopefully we'll figure out something cool that we can do with it. I thought maybe another house or something somewhere. I'm not sure. If you have any suggestions, please don't hesitate to comment. Please, commenting. Me and Olanton, we really appreciate if anyone gives us feedback. Give suggestions, anything really. Yeah, we'd really appreciate that. And I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like, subscribe, and tune in next time for my next video. So, yeah, goodbye.